1. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people to gain unauthorized access or confidential information. 2. The greatest vulnerability in any security system is often the human element. 3. Social engineering exploits the innate human tendency to trust and be helpful. 4. Social engineers understand the power of persuasion and use it to their advantage. 5. Trust is the currency of social engineering. 6. Social engineering is a silent threat that can go undetected until it's too late. 7. The best defense against social engineering is education and awareness. 8. Social engineering is not just about hacking computers, but hacking minds. 9. Never underestimate the power of a well-crafted story in social engineering. 10. Social engineering preys on our natural desire to be liked and accepted. 11. The more information a social engineer has, the easier it is to manipulate their target. 12. Social engineering is a game of psychological manipulation. 13. Social engineering is the art of exploiting human emotions for personal gain. 14. Social engineers are masters of disguise, blending in seamlessly to gain trust. 15. Social engineering is a constant battle between good and evil. 16. Social engineering is a reminder that humans are the weakest link in any security chain. 17. Social engineering is a wake-up call to the importance of critical thinking. 18. The best defense against social engineering is a healthy dose of skepticism. 19. Social engineering is a reminder to always question, verify, and validate. 20. Social engineers thrive on exploiting our natural tendency to follow authority. 21. Social engineering is a reminder that not all threats come from the digital world. 22. Social engineering is a lesson in the power of manipulation and deception. 23. Social engineering is a reminder that trust should never be given blindly. 24. Social engineering is a constant reminder that security is a shared responsibility. 25. Social engineering exploits our desire for convenience and instant gratification. 26. Social engineering is a reminder to always think twice before sharing personal information. 27. Social engineering is a lesson in the importance of maintaining strong privacy settings. 28. Social engineering is a reminder that our actions can have unintended consequences. 29. Social engineering is a reminder that we live in a world where trust must be earned. 30. Social engineering is a reminder that technology alone is not enough to keep us safe. 31. Social engineering is a reminder to always be vigilant and question everything. 32. Social engineering is a reminder that our online lives can have real-world consequences. 33. Social engineering is a reminder to never underestimate the power of social media. 34. Social engineering is a reminder that our personal information is a valuable commodity. 35. Social engineering is a reminder to always be mindful of who we trust. 36. Social engineering is a lesson in the importance of strong passwords and secure practices. 37. Social engineering is a reminder to always be cautious when clicking on links or opening attachments. 38. Social engineering is a reminder to always be aware of our digital footprint. 39. Social engineering is a reminder that technology is only as secure as its users. 40. Social engineering is a reminder to always think before we share, like, or comment. 41. Social engineering is a reminder to be skeptical of unsolicited requests for personal information. 42. Social engineering is a reminder to always think like an attacker to better defend ourselves. 43. Social engineering is a reminder that our actions online can have real-world consequences. 44. Social engineering is a reminder to always be cautious of strangers, even in the digital world. 45. Social engineering is a reminder that our personal information is a valuable asset. 46. Social engineering is a reminder to always be on guard against phishing attempts. 47. Social engineering is a reminder that privacy is a fundamental human right. 48. Social engineering is a reminder to always be mindful of our digital identities. 49. Social engineering is a reminder that trust is earned, not given. 50. Social engineering is a reminder that security is a never-ending journey.